not entirely impossible because if we go and look in back in 2013, which was around 4 years ago, Town Hall 10 was released, and 2 years later, 2015, Town Hall 11 was released, and it has gone 2 years since we last got a new Town Hall level, so it would actually make somewhat sense if Town Hall 12 was released, maybe this year or early 2018. Anyways, this is just a concept, this isn't confirmed by Supercell or anything, and I want you guys to keep that in mind so you don't think it's real. And I'm just going to show you the images I made for it on the screen like in a few seconds. And before I end my part when I'm speaking, I just want you guys to subscribe to my channel if you're new, hit the like button or something, share this video so Supercell can see this, and that's probably it. And I'm going to make an explanation on everything tomorrow or on Sunday, I'm not really sure, but see ya.